Hey viewers, so in this video we'll see how you can print the hello world in C++. So let's get started with our video. So first of all, open a Google Chrome and enter online C++ compiler. You can use any of the compiler like Turbo C++. So in this video I'm going to use the online compiler. As you can see on the screen, there are the many results, so you can select any of the result. So in this tutorial I'm going to use the first one, link. After clicking on the link, you can remove the by default one code. Then we will write our C++ basic code. So first of all, we will be including the header file, include IO stream, and in next line we'll be using namespace std semicolon, and then we will declare the main function int main open and close bracket open curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket we will write our code. So we will write the cout, and inside the quotation we will write the hello world and then semicolon. After writing this code, as you can see on the screen, there is a run option. We'll click on it. Now our code has been successfully run hello world. So now we will understand the basic structure of C++. What does the include IOStream means? It is an header file, and in second line using namespace std. Suppose if you don't use the namespace std, so let's run the code without using the std. So as you can see on the screen, it's give you the error. What does it give the error? That is std has to be include. So let's include the std in the cout keyword. So we have included the std cout keyword, and we'll run the code. And you can see on the screen the our code has been run successfully. So it means that in every line, each line of a code, you have to include the std. Without using std, you can't run the code, C++ code. So to remove this problem, you use the namespace std. So now inside that is a main function. Whatever you are going to write the code, you have to declare inside the main function. And what does the cout? It is a keyword, means cout it is used to print the message. So I have printed the hello world. You can print your name also, or anything you want to print, you can print. It's just